Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make your own delicious and super fast strawberry compote. This recipe is universal, so basically you can use it not only for strawberries but for raspberries or blueberries or to mix them all together. So let's get started. So for this recipe I have 750 grams of strawberries, I have 75 grams of cane sugar and half lemon, and I'll use the juice from this lemon. First thing what I will do, I will just cut my strawberries as preferred. So I like my compote to be like quite chunky, so I'm just cutting the strawberries in 4. If you would like your compote to be like more refined, you can use like very small pieces. But for me particularly, I like them like this in quarters. So these are the strawberries ready cut in quarters. Now I will put them in a saucepan with the sugar and I'm going to bring them to a boil and reduce the heat to medium and boil them for 10 more minutes. This is my method and I like when it's like a bit soft and crunchy. So and at the end I will add the lemon juice as well. It's about 1 spoon of lemon juice. By adding the lemon juice gives that very bright and nice color to the compote. So after boiling 10 minutes in a clean sterilized jar, we're just transferring just like this all the mixture, and we are putting the lid, closing it and leave it to cool down in a dark place basically. So if you want to sterilize the jar, make sure that you are using a towel and sterilize the cap in a separate plate or whatever and remove it carefully because it's hot water. So with boiling water, just pour it in the jar and sterilize the cap as well, the actual lid, and after that you can use. Otherwise, if you are going to leave the jar not sterilized, your compote is going to go bad quite fast. But like this you can keep it in the fridge up to 1 month. So this is my recipe of a homemade strawberry compote. You can use it for breakfast just like this with chia seeds, and it's delicious, it's full of nutrients as well. It has this natural sugar and you just mix it and it gives this like extra like flavor. Yeah, you can add as much as you want, or there is another option to make. For example, you just put like a kind of granola with yogurt pudding. So just put on the bottom a bit of compote and you are topping it up with some yogurt and add some nuts and oats, and here you go, you have your perfect breakfast. So this is the recipe that I'm using on a regular basis, especially if I have like kind of berries. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday healthy and interesting recipes, and most importantly quick recipes. Don't forget to like the video, to leave a comment in the comment box below, and thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.